Yo, what's up guys? It is Chase back here. Today we have two phones right here. My mom's old one and my old one. We are going to be smashing them. So, I'm just going to throw it up. Dang! It's not even cracked. I just took this thing off. I'm going to set this aside for a second. And I'm gonna go get some creative stuff, okay? Just watch this, some creative stuff. Okay, I'm with my brother, and my camera is really close to dying. So, we are going to continue this vlog
in a couple minutes.
Later. Wait, let's just see what it did.
Well, this one just slid. Nothing.
This one?
Nothing.
This one, I mean, I took all cases off. It's still like that. I really miss this phone. It was actually not terrible.
That was mine before his, actually.
This is the OG.
But,
the OG phone.
Whoops.
Okay, let's stop smashing them. Stop smashing them. We will see you guys in a couple of hours. Probably about 2 or 3. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we have these phones. It is fully charged. Ching-ching.
Well, mine is. Yours won't turn on, but
Carter's actually
does work.
After the smash that he accidentally did. Don't know if you guys can see that. I might need to put this in the shade because it is.
Well,
so
it
funny.
says writing, so yeah. But we're gonna Chase and I are gonna go pick 3 items to smash, and we'll see you then.
Yo, guys.
What?
1 second, my dad's. What, Dad? I'm currently filming.
No, that don't think so. No, it won't. I'm throwing a bocce ball on it.
So,
Obviously, that'll kill it right away.
No.
so currently I have this and this. So I think
And
I'm
I
gonna go
have
first.
this and a bocce ball.
So I will go first. I'm gonna do my bottle first.
Kind of scared.
I missed.
Hey, the camera can't see it.
Well, how? Oh, here. 1 second, guys. I got you. There. Now you'll be able to see it.
Stand behind it when you smash it. Up. Back it up a little bit.
Back it up. You guys see it?
Yes.
Back it up a little bit.
Yeah, move back with it.
Right there. Three hits. Good.
I didn't hit it the last time.
Then hit it. One more. Alright. Baseball. Alright, my turn.
Oh, it did crack. Let's go.
I think I'm going to use this.
Guys, let me show you the damage it did.
Tell me when I'm good.
Second, guys.
Right here.
Don't know if you really can see it,
Right.
but it's cracked.
Right here, Dad.
Yeah, you're good.
1, 2.
3. Okay. Now I'm gonna go with the baseball. Dang it.
Come on. Oh. That was awesome.
That was so cool,
Well, that
guys.
was 3 throws, and he's breaking it.
Can I see?
Alright, I'm going to do a bocce
No, that
ball
was
now.
only 2.
That was, alright, whatever. Oh God, you're going to hit. Oh,
Perfect.
that was awesome.
That is so cool.
Careful, that'll cut you.
Yeah.
That is
Alright,
so cool.
I'm going to use a bocce ball now, and this weighs like 4.
Dang, I broke this thing right there.
Is that good?
Yes, perfect. Oh, did it hit?
Yeah.
Oh, not much, not much.
Yeah, not much.
Barely hit it, last attempt. Oh!
There's so much glass.
I might go get another one just so I can destroy this thing for good.
Okay, well, I kind of, oh my, the battery's really hot.
What do you feel?
Oh, dang.
Ow.
Yeah, put it down.
Hey, I'm gonna go get something else. Carter, you can keep smashing him.
I like that bocce ball. Alright, boys. Okay, this battery has now got a hole in it and it's super hot. Might even start a fire. That bocce ball go. Okay, I'm gonna try to shatter it even more. It's gonna suck. It's gonna be a mess cleaning this up, but.
You okay?
Yeah. Holy. That's insane. Oh my. Dad.
Just blew up.
I blew up the phone. The phone blew up. Oh my
That's
god.
so good content.
That was scary.
Oh my god.
I
Hey,
think-
don't go by it.
Yeah.
That is crazy.
Or hit it with a bocce ball and it exploded and it scared
Did you
us.
see it inflate, Dad?
No.
Oh my. I looked at it, it started inflating.
Watch out.
No, that's good.
Yeah.
Good.
Sure.
Alright, well, guys, just don't do that because, you know, that could have been very bad. Could have started like a huge house fire and everything. But we're all good. Viewers, don't do that at home. Only trained professionals can do it. Just don't throw bocce balls on phone batteries.
So, I'm gonna use this wrench.
Alright, just do it over there. Just don't hit the battery.
Make sure it can see.
Hey, if the battery falls off, don't hit that, because that's what blew up. Yo, you're super far away. Come closer. Come by the broom and stuff. Right there. No, back farther. Back. Yes. Don't hit the backside. That's where the battery is.
Okay, guys.
Alright, that's probably good.
Here, I'm just gonna. Oh. So, here, put it up so they can see me, like fully. Wait, somebody's calling me. Somebody's calling me. Hello? Yeah, what are you doing? Subscribe to Chase. He's so underrated. I said subscribe! Can you hear me? Subscribe! That's what I thought.
Okay, everybody, that's gonna...
That's the end of the video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications. It's been Chase. And it has been your name. What is your name?
Carter, aka Phone Blower Upper.
And we are out. Peace.
This is what it looks like. So here's Chase's battery. So if he would have hit that a few more, it would have done
blown
what
up.
mine did, which is terrible. That's so scary.
Please do not try this at home.
I thought the cars were gonna blow up, and
Our
you know,
house
I
is
thought
gonna-
we were all gonna die. So please subscribe to Chase. He's very underrated.
Also subscribe to Carter, which
Well, when it comes out.
when it comes out, yes.
All right,
can-
see you guys.
See you guys later. Peace.